Christmas! If you're a content creator looking for that little treat to buy yourself for Christmas, or you're wanting to surprise a content creator and get them something for Christmas, here are some of the best equipment, tools, accessories, gadgets that either I own myself or I really want for Christmas myself. And I've searched Amazon, I've scanned Amazon for the best things that I can find, and I've got all the descriptions in the link for you to go and click on that and buy some of these gadgets that are either cheap or just some great upgrades for your content creator wish list. Okay, so number one on my wish list is the Joby GorillaPod 3K kit, which is a compact tripod and it holds up to 3 kilograms of weight. I've got one of these myself. I got one a while back and they've changed the coloring since I last got it, but mine has been a staple in my content creator list. It literally will wrap to anything and you can't take it off. I had to buy an extension, so that's why this bit on the top is now red, which I believe they come with all the time because I lost this. As a tip, don't lose this thing at the top. But this is £53. It's 1 day on Prime, and I can link this below in the description. But it literally holds any sort of camera that has one of these little screw-ins at the top. And I think it's great. You can grip, wrap, stand it up. It has wrappable legs so you can put it up high. It's very secure. And I just think that they're a staple for any content creator wanting to get into filming outdoors, especially. This is great for. These will hold most content, most DSLR cameras, any flashes, video, lights, or anything like that. And you can just put it anywhere and it will stay up. And they're great to have. So, number one. Next up, I've gone for the newer 700 watt equivalent softbox lighting kit, which is a 2-pack LED lighting bulbs. You get 24 by 24 inches of softboxes with an E27 socket. Photography continuous lighting kit, photo studio equipment. This is great for any photographer, videographer, content creator, people that do products. It's $94.99, so under that £100 mark. So it'd be great for your husband, wife, brother, mother, son, anybody. It comes with adjustable softbox angle. You get those energy-saving LED light bulbs, and you can't go wrong with is it newer or newer? Or newer. But these are great for photographers especially. I use a softbox lighting kit. I do have one myself, but it's right above me here. I'll also give you a version of a cheaper one as well. The one that I bought is actually $44.99. But if you want this newer one, you can't go wrong with newer. I have a load of newer products. Actually, another light that I've got right here is a newer LED light. It's just not a softbox. The softbox I have for myself, and one that I just put a video out on recently, and you can go and check that on my other videos, is this eMart softbox lighting kit. It is $44.99, and that is the reason I bought it. It's $44.99. As a broke content creator, I wanted to buy this softbox, and it's 50 watt, 3,000 to 6,000 K LED bulbs. It comes with an app, it comes with a remote, it comes with a bag, stands, and I think it's great. I only use one of the softboxes so far, so I'm gonna get another one that I'm gonna put here. But I think it's a great product, and I really wanted to do a review on it just to see how good it was for $44.99. So if you are thinking under £50, I would go for this one. It comes on Prime 1-day delivery. As you can see, I ordered this on the 16th of October 2024. And there's only 13 left in the stock, so quickly go and get that one by now. Okay, over to number 3, and that is the camera that I use. Obviously, I can't show you right now because I am filming on it, but you must agree it looks fantastic. I look great with a softbox lighting. It makes me look great. It records in 4K, it records in 180p, it has wide lenses, short lenses, and it's touchscreen LED. It's a full frame COMS sensor. It's a fantastic camera, and I've had mine for many years now, and it hasn't done me wrong, and I can plug it into my computer and use it as a live streaming computer as well. You just have to get the right cable for it. It has extension for flash on the top. I just think it's a great camera overall, and I love it. And this one also comes with the lens that I use as well, the 24-105 lens. Yes, this is an expensive purchase. If you are going to purchase this, it is expensive, but if you are wanting to get into content creation, I would recommend getting a really good camera, one that's going to last you many years. There are cheaper options online, so just click through to the link to the Canon on Amazon, and you will see loads of different Canon versions in here. The ones that we'll recommend, ones that are cheaper, like the 5D Mark II, for example. Here, this is a great option, and any photographers out there will agree that this is a great camera. And it's not one of the most recent releases, but it might be on that cheaper end of high-end cameras, if you understand what I mean. It's £2,734 for this whole kit, but this alone will probably cost you £700-800. This is about £1,800. If you already have a lens in mind, I do have another link here for just the Canon 5D Mark IV, and that comes with a nice little bag as well from this company called Camcorder. Nice little company name. Camera, yeah, full frame COMS sensor, Digic 6 Plus image processor, touchscreen LCD monitor, and this comes with a 2-year warranty as well, and that comes at $1,829. Next up, number 4, I believe, I'm not sure, I might have lost count, is microphones. If you're a content creator, you are going to want a microphone, and a good microphone to give your voice that best feel and the best sound for your audience and everybody that watches your videos, whether it's content, whether it's live streaming, or whether you're recording vocals. This is great for singers. This is why I bought this one. But the one I'm going to show you today is the Shure SM7B. It's a vocal dynamic microphone, so it's great for broadcasting, podcasts, any recording that you want to do as a vocalist as well, but great for broadcasting and great for podcasts. That's why I want to recommend this one specifically. The one I have here I will show you on the next slide, but this one is a condenser mic mainly for singing and vocals, so that's why I got this one, but I will show you that one as well. But if you're into live streaming, podcasts, vocal production, this is going to be a great mic, and it's what all the industry standards are using. It has very good sound, and you've probably heard it on all your favorite podcasts. This one is 14% off at the moment. It's £325. Again, it's quite an expensive product, but it's one that is going to make your content life easier, and it will last many years. So £325. You can buy it with cables as well, but I've just put the microphone on there, and it has a great sound for any content creator. The next one, obviously, is that Rode Complete Studio Kit. This is the one I'm using. I think it's an upgraded version. They now do it in black, but it's also got the audio interface on it as well. So mine is connected to a different audio interface, but this is a Rode specific audio interface, which is great. Just that will mean that you can plug and play. It's a complete studio kit with NT1 studio condenser microphone and AI1 audio interface. And again, like they say, it's great for vocal recording, streaming, and podcasting. Comes with a condenser on the front as well. It's with a, what do they call it? A pop mic, and that is 282. There's only 2 left in stock. It's 19% off at the moment, and great for any home recording, and it's studio grade as well. And lastly, number 5, while we're still on microphones and vocals and audio, I'm going to link you now to the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier, I can never say that, lavalier microphone. It's compatible with a camera, iPhone, Android, PC, any camera, it's any laptop, anything that's got a USB-C or a Lightning, or it's just great. It's noise cancelling. It's 40 hours of recording before it falls out. You get lapel mics for live streaming, and you can see here I last purchased this really recently on August 2024, and the reason I purchased this was because I saw MKBHD use it in one of his shorts, and I was like, if MKBHD uses it, I want to use it. And as you can see, I've got it right here. This is the box that I've recently opened and used because I've used it in a few videos already, and I really, really recommend it. It comes with so many different things that you can put on your microphone. It comes with pop filters. It comes with these necklaces that you can put around your lightning cable. It's noise cancelling just at the click of a button, and it's pretty much plug and play. You can just plug it in and use it straight away. It comes in a nice compact box that like feels like you can just carry it around, and it has, as you can see here, the microphones are really small. They just pin on you like a lapel. They're not noticeable. They have one button for noise cancelling, hold it for on and off, and then they literally just clip on or hold on your necklace, or there's many options and a way to do it. And they have a great sound. As you can see here, noise cancellation of -15 dB, so you can use them in the wind. If maybe you're a golf content creator that wants to level up their audio production, their value. So, and I think you can buy, it comes with stickers that you can put on the front as well. You can buy it in white, but this is the combo with 2 TX and 3 RX as well, so you can use it on your iPhone and your cameras and all different products. It comes out at $169, so not too expensive. I know I'm putting some of these more expensive products, but they're for your loved ones, so why wouldn't you? That's $169, and again, it's on Prime. It comes on same day and overnight. I use most of these products myself, so I wouldn't recommend them if I didn't use them. These are products that I really, really believe in and that every content creator kind of needs. So if you're wanting to level up your content creation, or just wanting to buy a loved one a really nice gift for Christmas, I would really recommend these 5 products. I know I've put about 8 or 9 products in, but let's call it 5. If you are a content creator and you're wanting to level up your content creation game, I have hacks, tips and tricks on all my other videos. Go and check this one out here, and that will help you along the way. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy Christmas. Peace.